Subscribe right now if you want a cookie. Subscribe. What's good, YouTube? My background on YouTube video, and before I start this YouTube video, I would like to mention that I am being sponsored by TubeBuddy. So if you want to help me, there's gonna be a link down below in the description called affiliate link. You'll read it, affiliate link, and the link is gonna be down below. Anything you purchase on that site, you get 30% off. So please, guys, let me know. Just click the description, help me out. And also, forgot to tell you guys this. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. Once I have 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give someone lucky soul PS4 a lucky another someone games. I got like 10 games and lucky someone PS4 controllers. I know people might not need. Actually, I'm gonna get the PS4 controllers with the PS4, but not with the games. I already have like what's it called out like digital games on it. So yeah. If you're here because you want to know how to make money online, you're in the right place, so stay tuned. And if you want to know how to make YouTubers make money, you're in the right place, so also stay tuned. Okay, let's just start. So right now, I'm explaining to you how YouTubers make money, and then after that, I'm explaining various methods on how to make money online. So first, YouTubers make money obviously off of ad revenue, not how many views they get. So basically, they make money off their CPM. CPM is how views per thousand views. So if you have $5 per thousand views, you get 1,000 views. 100,000 views, you're gonna get $500. Yeah, you're gonna get $500. $500. But if you get two of that with 500K, you get $1,000. So basically, that's explained. And now, one of the best methods, one of the good methods you can do is YouTube. YouTube is like in the middle. It's not the best, but you can do it. But before you start YouTube, you need to have a side income, because if you don't have a side income, they terminate your channel. You won't be receiving income. And let's say you make a new channel, they'll probably terminate again. So really, you have to be smart with it. That's a side income. Like side incomes, which I'm about to explain. You should do those. Okay, YouTube is number one. We got off the list. Number two, print on demand. Print on demand is basically when you print design on any clothing. Oh yeah, as guys can tell, I'm wearing the Mali National shirt. I can see Mali in the back. So back to the subject. Print on demand is when you print design on any clothing stuff and you sell it online. You can do it on various sites for free on Wix, Printify, etc. You can do it on free with no bank card, no credit card. You could do it with an email. If you have an email and you just text information, you could do it on your mom's account and just Number three, number three, ebooks. You can write ebooks that are really easy. You might think, oh, I gotta write a whole novel. No, you don't. You can just write about subject where you know. Like, let's say, for example, how to make money online. You can write an ebook on that, or how to read Arabic, how to speak Spanish, something like that. You can write an ebook on something you know. It's selling for like $10, $7. 5 people buys it, $35 to $100. So basically, you see, smart. Number four, newsletters, blogs, posts. You can make money off of that because you can just write. You can just write about anything you want, like Palestine, politics, stuff like that, and then say for people that clicked on it that want to watch. You say you gotta pay to be on the site or sign up on our site or stuff like that. Blah blah, and you can gain ad revenue from that. So yeah. Number five. Number five is social media. What I mean by social media, not like YouTube, like YouTube is kind of social media, but like what you could do like TikTok. You could do stuff like that in TikTok, but like TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that is different. So like in TikTok, you can make money off of that, but I don't recommend it. I recommend it if you're trying to make money off of TikTok, you at least have a YouTube channel or Instagram, a famous Instagram, so people know you, because TikTok pays you 0.02 cents per 1,000 views. Yes, you heard that right. So if someone gets, for say, let's say for example, Charlie D'Amelio, she got 84,000 something something this month, even though she got more than a billion views. And you might think, oh my God, that's so little. That kind of is little for a billion views, because on YouTube you got a billion views on 1 month. You would be rich. You like, you're out. YouTube pays a lot, but compared to TikTok, they don't. You could also make money off of Instagram. Instagram pays I believe for like promotion, you can like, if you have like at least 1,000 followers or like 2,000, 10,000, you can promote your channel, people's other channel on your Instagram story, and they have to pay for like for 24 hours, $100, 2 hours, 210, something like that. Set up. Instagram, Facebook. I mean, you could do the same thing. And number 6. Last but not least, I call it selling. You could do there's like different bullet points for it. First bullet point we're going to talk about is StockX. StockX is basically an app where you can sell your shoes. You can build your shoes, but before you sell it, they're gonna verify if it's real, if it's not real. But really, guys, I don't recommend this because if you go on StockX app, you just search up J's like Air Jordan 1s, you're gonna find millions and millions, thousands. So really, they're just gonna click yours randomly. So it's not the best option, but you could do. I know people that are doing it. Number 2, reselling. Reselling is basically when you go to a store like Walmart, Burlington, and you buy like shoes. Like for example, I have soccer cleats which I bought for $89 plus tax, but I saw those same soccer cleats at a Burlington for $25. Now you could do that, buy the same shoes at Burlington for like $20, $30, and then resell them for $100, $120, and you can make money. Number 3, resell used items on Mercari, Wish, etc. Let's say I want to sell my old phone. I have an old phone. You can sell that on Mercari. You can sell that on Wish. Anything, basically any app that lets you resell. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. When I end it, and also forgot to mention. Well, I did mention it, but I want to mention it again. Please, guys, support my affiliate link. Is down below in the description. Click it and buy something off the website. I get 30% of the commission. Thank you for watching. Subscribe right now if you want a cookie. Subscribe.